Today, I'm going to show you how to view and create new bills in Xero. This is essential for managing your business expenses and keeping track of what you owe to vendors and service providers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once the page loads, you'll see fields where you need to type in your Xero account email and password. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. This brings you to the main hub where you can manage all your accounting tasks. Next, we need to navigate to the Bills section. Look at the top navigation bar and open the Purchases menu. This menu contains all options related to your business expenses and vendor payments. From the drop-down that appears, select Bills. This action will take you directly to where all your bill management happens. From this page, you can view all the bills you currently have in your Xero account. This overview is helpful for tracking outstanding payments and managing your cash flow. If you wish to create a new bill, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the New Bill button. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From here, select New Bill to begin creating your entry. You'll now be taken to the New Bill customization page. This is where you'll input all the relevant details. Start by entering the vendor detail in the From field. This identifies who you're paying. Next, add the date and due date to your bill. These dates are crucial for tracking when payments are due and maintaining good vendor relationships. Optionally, if you have a reference number from the vendor's invoice, you can add it here for easier tracking and reconciliation later. Now move to the Items field where you'll add what this vendor has billed you for. In the Description field, you can provide additional details about the item or service. You'll also need to enter the quantity and unit price for accurate billing. Make sure to select the account associated with this transaction so it's properly categorized in your accounting records. Finally, set the appropriate tax rate for this item. If you're dealing with multiple items on a single bill, simply use the Add a New Line button at the bottom to include additional entries. This ensures all items are captured on one bill rather than creating multiple separate entries. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and customized the bill to match your vendor's invoice, click on Approve. And that's how you create bills in Xero, whether they're from vendors or for utilities and services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.